Hello everybody, welcome to Andromeda District, another one of our videos. This is actually an announcement. We want to just formally tell you all that we now are offering moss decor and moss walls. We have been doing this unique projects with moss, but now I just wanted to tell everybody that we have it available here at the store. We work with a network of moss providers. What we do is that we essentially grow the moss, as you can see it here. At the peak of its youth, we cut it, and after that we submerge it into this preserved substance. The moss remains beautiful, remains fresh, it remains green. For all of those customers there looking for something that does not require any kind of maintenance or any kind of watering, this is the way to go. It's natural, it's beautiful, it's green. Come on and visit our store, look at the varieties of different moss that we have and how we can actually create unique, beautiful pieces for you. Bring your planters, bring your ideas. We'd love to collaborate with you and help you create something beautiful. Thank you so much, and we'll see you here.